Okay, let's get to work on our quick and easy homemade tzatziki sauce recipe. We'll start out by doing some fresh chopped dill. I love the flavor of dill, so I certainly add extra. I'm gonna add in about 3 tablespoons. Now for cucumbers, you can go ahead and peel these off if you'd like. Tonight I've decided to be extra lazy and leave most of the peels on. You can also remove the seeds and even press them through your cheesecloth to remove all the excess water. All right, here we go. Greek yogurt, you can put in approximately 1 cup, or here I'm using about 4 heaping tablespoons, a dash of pepper, some garlic, olive oil, and in goes that fresh chopped dill. Give this a good mix for a healthy recipe. And now we'll go ahead and add in those cucumbers and one final mix, and you've got a healthy snack you can use for a number of different dishes. Remember to hit that like button, add a comment, share it, and follow the channel in the link in my bio for more great, easy recipes. Just need some nice pita bread now. Boom.